Welcome to the AI Toolkit Online. Now, in this video, we'll walk you briefly through the AI video feature. It's a powerful and really cool tool for creating engaging videos effortlessly. So to begin, log into your dashboard and select the AI video feature from the menu. Now, this tool allows you to create, customize, and refine videos with ease. So we'll start by uploading a media file, and the restrictions are listed here. It has to be 1024 by 7 or 576, 576 by 1024, or a square 768 by 768. Only through these dimensions can the video be rendered, or the image be rendered into a video. So what we'll do is we will go ahead and I'll move over one already. Here we go. That's already pre-formatted. Okay, big car, and then we'll take a look at the seed. Now, what the seed means is it's just a random value, and we'll select 20,000. Fidelity is how close it's going to be to the original image. Let's do 5. Motion intensity is going to be how much motion is going to be in this video. So the range is 0 to 255. I mean, a lot of this is random anyway, and honestly, you don't know what you're going to get. But we'll leave the motion intensity at 127. But it does develop or create some really cool visuals once it's done being generated. As it's going through its image editing, let's take a look at a couple of the videos that were already created. Like it'll take that static image and it creates something like this. Some of it is going to be a little bit more calm, I guess. Then what we'll do is once this video is done rendering, it does take some time to render the video. Here we go. Let's see what it's created for us. Not bad. So it takes a video of a car, a still image, and it creates a 4-second video clip of it panning. Really nice. Now what you can do with these is you can take it and you can download, save video, and save it to the desktop. Now if you've noticed that the video quality is not amazing, what I did in this particular case was took a small image and I expanded it to fit the 1024 by 768. But otherwise, the image would be pretty incredibly rendered. So that is the AI video feature in AI Toolkit.